We got the Christmas tree over here at City Walk, but this one is different this year. The reason I say it's different because it's all themed to Wicked. Wow. There are so many cool details. Elphaba's hat. We got the wand right here at the very, very top. Look at that. Wow. I just wanted to show all the posters too that they put on the signs. And then right across as well. I loved the first Wicked movie. It was one of my favorite movies when it debuted. I think I watched it like 3 times. My best experience was watching it in Prime, where you get the better audio, the seat shaking. So I can't wait for the second part. It's gonna be incredible. I want to do a quick update on the Raising Cane entrance. Look at the real estate. Everything has changed so dramatically here. Look at the LED screen. I was talking to a couple friends. I was like, they better be playing Dodger games or Laker games on that. Oh my Lanta. From the early word I've heard, there's supposed to be like a #1 here. So we'll see how that plays out. But man, this is gonna be a very popular Raising Cane's. I don't even know what the nearest Raising Cane's would be in this area. There's not really any Raising Cane's at all. Whoa, what a world. Feels good to be at Universal Studios Hollywood on a Sunday. The crazy part about today, it's like 90, 92 degrees. It's a very hot one, which is kind of weird because I've been wearing hoodies all the time, but I guess it's hot. Random hot Sunday. I thought all the new Wicked merch arrived at the Wicked store, but it's not. It's over here at the studio store. They got a whole display dedicated to Wicked for Good. Spirit jerseys, plushies. What are these, like candles or cherry blossom bubble? I don't know what that is. We got a new tumbler. What does it say? Wicked? Oh, with the yellow brick road. Nice, nice. Looks like some perfume or no, those are candles. Got a gold cup right here. Got a jacket too. Wow. That's actually cool. That's the front side. The real thing though, how much does it cost? $100. Very nice material. We got a shirt with both characters in their new outfits. This one, $37. We got a new zip up. Has like the W. It's on the back side. Okay. So this like blue is the new theme, blue and gold. That's what I'm realizing. Got a Wicked hat. How much is the hat? $27. We got the Glinda's Bubble Wand. Dude, this thing is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Who is this? It's one of the monkeys. It's like a baby flying monkey. I've never seen this before. $30. Is there a name? No name. Does anybody know the name of this one? That is a cute monkey. Oh, they got the spirit jersey for the kids too. Got a gold wallet. $25 for that. Lego set. These big, is it gold butterflies? I don't know. I haven't seen the play of part 2. I really don't even know the story of how it's all going to play out. To me, like, I'm kind of going into this, the less I know, the better, I feel. So when I do see the story later this month, I'm going to be blown away. Not just by the soundtrack, but by all the emotion that's going to come out of this. All Danny has told me is this movie's going to wreck people. Like, people are going to leave the theater crying. They're going to leave the theater crying. That's all Danny has said. So, I guess that's what I'm preparing for. They got Glinda's backpack. It's a lounge fly. They even got Funko Pops, if anybody still collects them. That one's cool. I've seen a couple people wearing this one already. This one's gonna be popular for sure. You're gonna be popular. Look at these Squishmallows. I don't know if Universal has really got into the Squishmallows. I feel like this is new. The Scooby Gang! Oh my Lanta, the Grinch tree has arrived! Or at least a piece of it. It's crazy. I don't come to Universal for like 2 or 3 days and endless updates. There's just so much change happening. Always. I don't know if they're testing today, but new merch has arrived at 101 Exchange, which is the exit of the ride. All right, let's see what arrived. Vin Diesel worn Furious 7 attire. How cool is that? That's cool. And we got merch. I don't know if it's, obviously it's Fast and Furious, but I don't know if there'll be Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift merch. But this is cool. This is brand freaking new. What else do we got? What is this? Brian O'Connor. Whoa, what? The car in the ride. Dominic Toretto. That's the car in the ride. Look at that. 2 cars in the ride. What else do we got? Damn, this thing's heavy. Wow. I almost want to say these are the cars in the ride. I don't know about this one. But, whoa. What is this? Damn, dude, we got so much merch. I've never seen any of this stuff. Lots of toys, surprisingly. Spirit jersey. What does it say? Fast and Furious custom culture with like a checkered print. Some highlighter Fast and Furious. Okay. Fast and Furious. It's a beast. Huh. Wild Speed. Yeah, I'm starting to think this is just the merch that will be in here all year long from now on. Okay. 25 for this one. Alright, it's a snapback. 27 for this one. Kind of like a suede. And then a hoodie. Kind of like a tag font. What do we got on the back? Wild Speed #1. Then we got socks and then a cool like little backpack. Look at this jacket. Damn, a lot of decals on this one. This one's being sold for $90. I would have said this is easily like $150 sweater or jacket. All the details on this is pretty, it's a hefty one. It's a good, what do they call these, Letterman jackets, I guess? This thing's sick. Here we got another shirt. It's kind of like a jersey shirt, I guess. I don't even know what to call it. Some flames on it. And then on the right side, they got props too. We got NOS, a laptop. These are from Fast 10, some helmets. What do we got? Fast 7. Look at these credentials. And like Brian O'Connor. From Fast 5. I didn't realize they actually had the cross right here too. This is original prop too.
Be prepared. Our tour today does feature loud noises, fire effects, and many water effects, so you might get wet. There are also sudden tram movements during the tour, so security showcasing classic movies, going all the way back to our opening day on March 15th, 1915. You know, our founder, Carl Emily, actors, real firefighters keeping this studio safe every day. You know, we also have our own zip code, our own post office, you know. We used to have our own fantastic sci-fi thriller directed by John Carpenter. If you saw that flick, that was the entire Antarctic research station right there. We actually... Happens really? Don't be honest. Here in Southern California. It should all be over soon. Second thought. This feels much bigger than a normal tremor. Everybody hang on tight. This could be the big one. Whoopsie daisy. No, I'm kidding. That was no accident. That was our flash flood attraction. So I think about all those road trips I used to go on as a kid with my parents. You know, we'd drive for hours. Eventually got to pull over and take a rest. Sometimes at a very shady road. You know, I say we all go a little mad sometimes. And of course, perched ominously above the Bates Motel is the Bates Mansion. Created the slasher genre at the same time. And it is indeed the actual filming set from Alfred Hitchcock's Hollywood Ocean. And this is essentially a set that we can create all sorts of out in the open sea type scenarios. You've seen it used in films such as Jaws: The Revenge. Have a fantastic day, everybody. I'll be on the plaza if you have any questions afterwards or you just want to go up and say hi.
Last update of the day, Hollywood and Dine is actually going to have Grinchmas foods. There's actually a lot of these foods. Food pudding looks good. Here are a couple more of the items. Stick-a-doodle. What is it, a stick-a-doodle? All right. These are some new items. I've never seen those. What an awesome studio tour we had. I was hoping testing would happen, but since today's a Sunday, it looks like that's not a thing. So maybe just a weekday kind of thing. But lots of great updates today. Glad I came to Universal. Just hope the heat goes down. I wanted to feel like winter. All right, thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button. We are firing it down.